Let's make Japanese spaghetti with Dashi Salmon Cream.
I've taken pieces of boneless and skinless salmon and steamed them for 3 minutes. Using my trusty fork, I've mashed it up. Don't worry about that white stuff, that's just protein that's come out of the salmon. You'll barely notice it when we add the cream. You can also use canned salmon. Mince half an onion. The most important thing to look out for when you mince an onion this way is when you turn the onion to the side and you do the side cuts, you just cut it slowly. If you cut it with too much force, you may cut your fingers. So slowly cut into the onion just like that, and you'll be okay. Finally, the end bit that you had to hold on to and you didn't slice into, that needs to be chopped up. So feel free to just chop it up whichever way you feel comfortable. Into a non-stick pan goes some oil, and on low heat, sweat the onions. Sweating the onions on gentle heat allows the natural sweetness of the onions to come out. This process should take about 2 or 3 minutes. When the onions are a little bit translucent, you can add the salmon back into the pan. Toss it up a little bit and then turn off the heat before you add the cream. If your pan is too hot and you add the cream will split and you'll have oily droplets in your sauce. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of dashi powder. Dashi is a fish stock that is commonly used throughout Japanese cuisine, and here it brings an umami flavor that is irreplaceable. Freshly cracked black pepper. Love it. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and then add some chopped parsley. The refreshing flavor of the parsley goes so well with the dashi cream sauce, you will know when you cook this dish for yourself. Now all that's left to do is to add the cooked spaghetti. Just like that, within 12 minutes, it's pasta time. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for watching and remind you that the full recipe is in the description below. If you like this dish, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And if there are any other Asian inspired or Chinese recipes that you'd like for me to cook, please let me know in the comment section. We will continue to work hard to provide quick and easy Asian inspired and Chinese dishes for you to put on your dinner table. Now go make some Japanese spaghetti and dashi salmon cream.